Today I'm going to show you guys how to make some really quick and easy flatbreads. So I've got 185 grams of milk, 50 grams of butter. I'm just going to pop those in together, pop it in the microwave till the butter's melted. Now my milk's warm and my butter's melted. I'm just going to pour that in and mix it together. So it's now started to form a dough. I'm just going to scrape that out onto the side. I'm just going to knead it and work it till it's nice and smooth. Now this is nice and smooth, I'm going to divide it out into 8 even balls. Now I'm just going to cook half of mine off. I've wrapped the rest up. I'm going to pop that in the fridge. So I'm going to roll these out as thin as I can in a rough circle shape. And you'll notice because of the butter in them, they don't stick to this side. They're really easy to work with. Now I've got this rolled out really nice and thin. I'm going to get a pan on a red hot heat. And just get it screaming hot. If you wanted to do these more like naans, you could do a bit thicker and cook them a bit slower, but I'm going for wraps. So now this pan's scorching hot. I've just turned it down to a medium heat. I'm going to pop a couple of spoons of oil in. Just going to really carefully pick up our dough and pop it straight in. You'll see that colour change. That's a really good sign. Now I don't know if you can see this on here, but when I'm looking down I can just see the fat sizzling underneath and you can see the air pockets all rising up. And that's just what you want. Now this looks about ready to me. It's got that nice opaque colour all the way over it. I'm just going to have a little look. And yeah, that looks beautiful. So it's got a really nice even golden colour, all the little spots all over it. That's perfect. So we're just going to keep that heat on until it looks exactly similar on the other side. So now mine's just about golden on the other side. See the speckles? I'm just going to lift it up, pop it on there. And that's ready for later. I'm just going to cook the rest of these. So I'm going to glaze with a bit of pork for these. I'm just going to fry up a pork steak and coat it in a load of soy sauce. You could use chicken, throw some salad in it, some tomato, any veg, anything you like. You could make a main meal out of it if you wanted to.